Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
We were in the market for a new bed for our daughter. Her old one was just an old hand-me-down that we got from some friends. It was old, worn down, and hard to get into. And we are absolutely thrilled and in love by this beautiful bed frame that we got from Lihimte. We got it in the size full in the beige color, but it comes in different sizes and different colors so you can choose one that fits you best. This bed frame gives my daughter's room a luxurious feel. The material is soft velvet and it covers the headboard, the footboard, and the side rails. She loves the remote control light feature under the bed. She can program it to any color and any different mode. The kit comes with everything that you need to put it together, including the tools and easy-to-read directions. My husband helped out a little, but for the most part, I put it together all by myself in about an hour. I love the wood slats. They're Velcro, so even when we flip the mattress, we don't have to worry about these slats coming off. Another feature that I really love about this bed is that it has no box springs, so it's easier to climb in and out of to snuggle with her. I love how durable it is. My daughter is tiny, but I'm a bit on the plump side and it holds both of us very comfortably. So if you're looking for a beautiful, luxurious, and durable bed, then I highly recommend this beautiful bed frame from Lihimte.
And that's my point of view.